What's up, y'all? We're back out here on the cattle trail checking tracks this morning. I got a ride along this morning here, Logan. He's my neighbor down there. He's been catching some raccoons around in the area, and he was wanting to see how to do this, learn a little bit more about coyote trapping and stuff. So we're out here checking tracks, and we got one bouncing down here. We got a double pad catch on this one. This one got caught with both feet in the cookie jar. One of them's buried in there and the other one's a toe, but either way, he got both of them in there. All I had here was a dirt hole set and had some Top Dog and some ST8 from Tandy's Lures. So I'm gonna get this one took care of and show y'all the remake real quick. I got Logan here with me, and we're going to see how to do it. So we're going to do the remake here and move on down the line. Got all his guard hair and stuff.
Yeah.
Looking pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go back with the regular dirt hole like I had here. If I can find, oh, there's the dirt hole. Cool. I didn't realize I had that much of an angle, but I guess I did. I bet a lot of times you'll find the bait still down in there. And it is. Dirt hole's still here. Cleaned it out a little bit. Check that catch out, y'all. Polyfill's still under the pan. That 1 foot was buried in there. I had just found the hole maybe slightly to the right. I guess I had it at a pretty good angle here, which is alright. Don't matter what angle. I like to set them off to the right just a little, or to the left. You can go either way. Because the idea is that they'll come up. And if their nose is about in the middle, their feet will be on one side or the other. But I have caught them straight behind it too. And this is probably, I don't know, maybe about 6 inches, 7 inches from the hole. Some people sit way back here too, and you can and catch some, but depends what I'm using. I kind of guard the hole most of the time. Well, I'm glad I got one this morning with Logan here with me. See, I made that hole too long, or he kind of done that too, but I should have left a little bit more on the sides for my lever. The trap don't have to be straight. This way it can be whatever direction, as long as that pan's where you want it. Get her good and tight right there. If it ain't tight, I'll redo it. I'll keep messing with it till it's the way I want it, because if that sucker ain't tight, you're gonna regret it more than likely. Now, if I step here, here, ain't nothing moving. Alright, but I'm using to fill it up is a mixture of peat moss and waxed dirt. I kind of like this mixture, it's about right. and it'll shed a lot of water. The reason I'm actually using the peat moss in it because the dirt I waxed this year was a little bit lighter than what I like, and it really don't blend good with our topsoil. Mixing that peat moss in it got it about right. You see them little crumbs and you think they're rocks, but well, that might be. But they're actually they'll just crumble up. That's why I waxed it and it cooled down. It got a little clunky. Alright, that's solid. If he stepped anywhere around here, it's gonna feel solid like the regular, like the dirt around it. And bait and lure, she's about done. I'm gonna blend it in just a little bit with the dirt from around here. Now, because it's been getting down below freezing, before I put that regular dirt on top, and I probably wouldn't have to blend it in, but I'll put just a little layer of salt like that. Try to keep that top layer from freezing. It won't freeze hard, it might freeze a little. I know where that pan's right here. But that right there do it. And you can take, like right here, sometimes I'll do this so they don't step on the lever. I'll take a little clog of dirt, but I'll make it look like it kind of lives there, like it's been there. These coyotes are a little funny, but a lot of times if you'll put it like that, they won't step there or there. And this little grass will do the same purpose right here. So if they want what's in that hole, they have to try to dig it out. Most of the time they don't get it. Most of the time they won't get what's in that hole. They'll get caught first. I think I'm gonna go back with the same thing. Work one. Hopefully it'll work again. Find my fork. I remember I left it in my sheet full. This right here is just some top dog from Hoosier trapping supplies. I'll take about I don't know, it's smaller than a walnut size. Put it down in the hole. I got me a little stick. I like to push it way down in there. They can't get it. I should have refilled my bottle with fox pea, but I got to fill it up. So. A little bit of SD8 right here, Tandy's lure. I'm gonna smear it right back here on the back of the hole. This is a Curiosity gland lure. Alright, that's it guys, ready for another one. Go check some more sets, y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back this morning. So we had the coyote yesterday, it's the next day. And while Logan was with me, I put in a couple new sets on that farm. And I went out and pulled all the sets on the first farm I started on. I usually only trap it a couple weeks. That's the farm I hunt on, catch 4 or 5 coyotes. And that's what I done, it worked out. But I come over here on this other farm and put out 10 sets today, about 7 locations. And the plan is Logan's gonna ride with me again tomorrow to check. So hopefully we'll have some new, hopefully we'll have some first day catches over here. If not, we got that farm where we caught the coyote on yesterday, and might have some over there. So I just want to get on here and check in real quick, let y'all know what's going on, what I've been doing. And I was going to set some sets on the farm next to this one too, but I'm getting hungry and I'm about to head to the house. I got a lot of ground to cover this year, and I can't cover it all at one time because I overload myself with fur handling between work and trapping. So anyway, hopefully we'll get some dogs tied up the next day or two. So y'all stay tuned. Good morning, boys. Monday morning, I'm out here checking traps. Y'all know what that means. I probably got something I want to show y'all. Logan did come out with me Saturday and Sunday, and we didn't catch nothing but maybe a cold. I'm telling you, I've had a coyote going down through this cattle trail to each one of my sets and barely digging at the side of the set, and then going around the back and working a hole from the back. And I started second guessing my waxed dirt. I started second guessing my traps, which of course automatically I'm gonna start overthinking things. And then I come out and checked him yesterday, and I just covered him back up and went back home. And I thought, and Logan was with me, and I thought, after I got back home, I said, that was stupid just to cover him back up. I gotta do something. I gotta get that old dude. And so I come back, and then I got to thinking about it. The second night I had these traps here, I don't know if it's some kind of lure I was using or what, but I had one roll all over one of my sets and one of my dirt holes. Everything was flattened out around there, and the trap was set off into bed, and I was left with just a little pinch of white coyote belly hair in it. So that educated that coyote enough. I don't believe it's waxed dirt. I don't believe it's a trap. I believe it educated that coyote enough to where he would check to see if there's a trap there. So I come out yesterday after I done went back home from checking, and I sifted loose dirt all the way around the set, and hoping that I can re-educate him enough, or let him get him to let his guard down. If he steps on that loose dirt around the back of the set, nothing happens, nothing scares him, maybe he'll let his guard down and come around front where he can see down the hole. And if that didn't work, I was gonna bet a set behind the trap. Anyway, guess what? We got that old booger. So Logan, if you're watching this, we got him. By George, this is the same set we caught one in the other day. And let me get y'all turned around where y'all can get a look at it. I bet it's a big old male. I don't know, it might be a female. Good pad catch. Let me get out and take a look at him, or whatever it is. I think I forgot my tripod this morning too. Got your hind end, didn't I? I'm at least gonna assume this is the same coyote, because this is the set that he's been digging up. This one and one more up the cow path just a little bit. You gonna talk to me? But anyway, I'm out here today, and I'm also setting off all my traps. We're getting rain the rest of the week, and it's gonna be muddy and nasty out here. I got a bunch of stuff to do. I hate doing that, and I hardly ever do that, because I usually just toughen through it. But this week, I'm gonna set them all off, so there won't be a remake. But this is the remake that I done earlier in this video, if you're watching this video. So I'm gonna get this one took care of, throw them in the back of the truck. I got some more to check, so y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, that was it for this morning. This one right here, and it was in fact a big old male, which is what I suspected. He's furred up pretty nice. I'm gonna take him home, skin him out. It's been a little slow the last few days, which I don't have that many sets out. Just out of curiosity, if you trap coyotes and you're messing with one that's educated like that, let me know in the comments what you normally do for that, if you don't mind. I'm just curious. I couldn't blind set this one because the cattle trail right there where he's coming in on, cows walk that every day, and I'd have been remaking the set every day. But anyway, with that being said, I'll catch y'all in the next one somewhere down the line. Appreciate y'all.